Hey guys, today this is a video about it's mixed milling and turning programming the part that I'm doing today looks like this. So you have a hole with a tap that goes through. We have 3 holes also tapped. And this is done in one shot, and this hole, it has to be angled to these 3. So let's explain the first of all setup. So for me to do a setup like this, I actually use these are 3-inch this is a 3-inch material, so this is a 3-inch jaws with a spider in the back, but as you see the 2 stopper blades, the 3rd one is out. The reason for that is because I need to come down in between with the live tooling. So if I had a blade like this, I wouldn't be able to clear the live tooling. So I took off one of the blades. Okay, and then this is where the tooling is. So I took this section where there's no blade. Okay. You have to, let me see, you have to do the C connect like this. So it has to be connect where you cannot move the spindle. If it's not where you want it to be, you go to the C, okay, handle 100, and with this, you can rotate. Okay, I need 2 hands for this, so let me shut it off. So once you rotate to the area where you want it to be, you go to setup info, then over here you go to C offsets, and then you do a press here. You can put in a calculator 0 and teach, and this is gonna be your C. So once you start milling on a C, it's gonna be right in here. So that's how you can change your C position. So let's start from the beginning. So this is a facing, and it's only a rougher. So I do rougher and finish together, and then I start to separate them, because let's say you know, the part is later when I'll be finishing there's no material here, so I only need to face from the top to the bottom of it, so I got to split up. So facing rougher only. So starting, you know, 3 inches 160,000, removing stock, going down to 0, and Z also 0, then turning outside only rougher as well. So we're starting from 3 inches, starting from Z0, finish 10,000 on X and 3,000 on Z, using 80-degree tool, 60,000 depth of cuts. Since these corners are calling for sharp corners, I only put 3,000 radiuses just to break the edge a little bit. Okay. And then this is a regular insert indexable drill. And now we're starting to go milling. So milling, it's gonna be 1/2 inch spot face. Whole depth, it's gonna be over here, as you see. Oh, so actually this was because it left a little notch in the middle from the drill. So I actually had the milling spot face to go and clean this up. Okay, so that's why everything you see radius 0, C0, everything is pretty much 0.
What are you making?
Recording a video for a buddy from mill. Now it's turning ID. So we're starting from 1 inch. This is a 3/4 rougher. So this is one of the diameters. The diameter is 1.5. Later it's actually gonna go up, so I wanted to leave a stock a little bit. Now I have separate tool to do this diameter, and then I have 3 passes with a 1/2 inch to do that diameter on inside. So my starting point is actually 0. So what it does is just it comes in, pushes 5,000, goes down to 0, then it goes back, pushes another 5,000 till everything clears up. So I have 3 of those. Now facing, so this is just comes down and clean up the face. So how you see now, it's still starting from 3.1, but now it's going down to 1.7. This is a finish for outside. So over here, I always do finish rougher and faces after using a bigger drill, just for the reason that sometimes the drill can shift apart a little bit. So if it will do so, you still have a little stock left, so where you finish, everything's gonna be nice and clean and concentric. So now this is a finish with a little bit of stock still left for the ID. The reason for that is because when we're gonna drill this, that drill is gonna throw it at a burr. So then I leave like maybe 1,000 stock on ID where it comes and cleans off this burr. So now this is a drilling, and this is a ZNC. So first is a 1/2 inch spot face. So it does the chamfer. Okay, so it's a 1/2 inch spot face. So call it as a 1/2 inch hole, 160,000 deep. Okay, 160,000 deep drill, and so it's the material is 2 inches, 880. That's why you see the 144. We're starting on a C0, 840 deep on a Z. So from the face to the center, it's 844,000. Now it's a follow with the drill. So drill is 210. So you see 210D. So, and the only thing that changes is the depth and the diameter. Everything else will follow. All these bottom ones will follow. And now we have a tap. So this is 1/4 by 28. And you see a major 250, the pitch, tap depth, and same thing, the bottom line that's gonna follow. Now this is a bar in, so I'm going with a 750 finishing bar. It pretty much follows everything, but as a before it was 1.5, now you see it's 1.5 and 5/10. So that's gonna clean up that burr. And now we have a drilling face. So since this hole and this is 60 degree apart, but from each it's so you have 3 holes spaced 120 degrees. So you see the radius, it's gonna be 1 inch and 219. We're starting 60 degrees on the minus, starting 0, 3 holes and 120 degrees from each other. So it's gonna be the spot face, it's gonna be the drill, which is a 200,000, and it's gonna be the tap. Everything is gonna repeat itself again. So this is how you make a part like that. And like I said, the worst part was the clearance, and the drill did not wanna clear the jaws. So what I did was I threw in a collet holder, and I got in an extension. So that way it will clear the jaws, because it was missing the jaws by about an inch, inch and a half. So I just got it extended, and now everything is good. Thank you for watching. See you next time.